Using Python starter projects based on how much you learn from them. Calculator. Good for basic graphical user interface plus mathematical knowledge, but less customizable. Note taking. More customizable, meaning more you could learn. However, if you're planning to add saving files, less formatting could be harder. Chatbot. Hard to make without using a basic engine from somewhere else, reducing how much you actually learn. Tic-tac-toe. Can depend. Useful for learning basic AI, making a computer opponent, for example, and a good starter project, but most areas will not be used much. Password generator. This is very easy to do. I'd only recommend as a starter project for an absolute beginner, under 1 month of experience. To do. Quite customizable, variety of GUI widgets needed, useful. Choose your own adventure game. Pretty basic, good for beginners. I've just started though. Teaches if/if else statement. Tests. Very complicated, but very useful if you manage. Teaches some AI and also the algorithms that calculate if a move is valid/invalid. Battle patterns. Pretty easy, but satisfying and teaches some mathematical formulas. File reader. Customizable and teaches how to work with files with Python scripts. Useful skill. Timer. Basic will only teach you a couple attributes from the time-related modules. Snake will teach you some of the basics of whatever module you use to make it. Guess a number. Basic, however, teaches beginners to generate random numbers. Hangman helps teach you the basics of strings and random numbers. Quiz game helps teach you variables, if and if else statements.